Activity 4. Listen to the following dialogues. Mahesh wants to open an account in a bank. He goes to the bank. He meets the manager. Mahesh says, "May I come in, sir?" Manager says, "Yes, you may. What can I do for you?" Mahesh says, "I want an SD account to be opened in the bank." Manager says, "Okay, take this form. Fill in the details." Mahesh says, "Sir, I have filled up the form." Manager says, "Now paste your photograph and sign it." Mahesh says, "Here it is." Manager says, "How much money do you want me to deposit?" Mahesh says, "500 rupees." Manager says, "Okay, now give your form and money to the cashier. He will give you a passbook." Mahesh says, "Thank you, sir."